In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox easily and correctly using HubSpot. If you've ever found yourself a bit overwhelmed by the setup process, don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step so that you can follow along and get your email up and running in no time. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your HubSpot trial guide. This is an essential step as you'll need to access your account settings to begin. If you're not already at the trial guide page, make sure you log in and navigate there. Once you're on the correct page, the process can begin smoothly. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. You can usually find the Settings option by looking towards the upper side of your interface. Settings is your command center for making modifications to your account, and it's here where you'll configure your email connections. This is where you begin to see how streamlined this process can be if you know exactly where to go. Within the Settings menu, locate the Email option and click on it. This section is dedicated to all things related to your email setup and preferences. You'll find various settings that might pique your interest, but for now, our focus is squarely on connecting your email inbox, so let's keep our attention there. Now, it's time to click on Connect Personal Email. This option allows you to seamlessly integrate your personal email with HubSpot, ensuring all your communications are efficiently handled from within the platform. Connecting your email is crucial because it enables automatic logging, tracking, and managing all your conversations without having to leave HubSpot. At this stage, it's also a good idea to double-check everything, ensuring all permissions are in place for a smooth setup. If prompted, be sure to follow any additional instructions from HubSpot, such as selecting your email provider or confirming your credentials. This will vary depending on whether you use services like Gmail, Outlook, or another provider. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that HubSpot is designed to facilitate your business communication, making your workflows more effective. Therefore, make sure your configurations match your business needs. Once your personal email is successfully connected, HubSpot will allow you to take advantage of features such as email tracking, efficient communication management, and enhanced customer relationship insights. With your email inbox now linked, you're set to take full advantage of what HubSpot has to offer, streamlining your email interactions and elevating your overall productivity. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your email inbox to HubSpot. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now find the task much easier to navigate. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.